Today's word is your everyday item, but it also a future tense word. Let's see why and how. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have oturacaq. Oturacaq. Oturacaq is seat, a chair, and will sit. Let's see how. Reserved seat. The bench at the park. He or she will sit here. Let's translate those. Rezerv olunmuş oturacaq. Rezerv olunmuş, something that has been reserved, which is reserved. Parkdakı OTURACAQ. Parkdakı, the one at the park. What? The bench. That's how you can use it. And o, remember in Azerbaijani, he or she, it can all be identified by o. And you will understand it always from the context. O, burada oturacaq. He or she, burada, here, will sit. Oturacaq. Now, let's use this in sentences. First sentence. O, saatlarla parktaki köhnə oturacaqda oturup dostunun gəlməsini gözlədi. Let's translate. Like I said, he or she sat on the old bench in the park for hours, waiting for his or her friend to arrive. Saatlarla, for hours, saat, hour clock, for hour saatlarla. And if you take a look at deeper structure of the word, saat, hour or clock, saatlar, hours or clocks, saatlarla, with hours or clocks, basically it's trying to say, for hours, the right translation. Parkdakı köhnə oturacaqda, the old bench in the park. Parkdakı in the park, köhnə, old, oturacaqda, on the bench. Okay? Oturup dostunun gəlməsini gözlədi. Oturup sat. Dostunun gəlməsini gözlədi. Waited or waiting for his or her friends to arrive. Gəlməsini, to arrive, arrival of. Who? Friend. Dost. Dostu. His or her friend. Dostunun. The something of his or her friend. Something is arrival. Okay? O saatlarla parktaki köhnə oturacaqda oturup dostunun gəlməsini gözlədi. Next sentence. Təqdimat başlayandan sonra o sakit bir küncdə oturacaq və suallar bitənə qədər heç kəsi narahat etməyəcək. Let's see. After the presentation begins, he or she will sit in a quiet corner and will not disturb anyone until the questions are over. Təqdimat, presentation. Başlayandan sonra, after begins. Başlamaq, to begin. Başlayandan sonra, after it begins something. O, we already explained it, he or she. Sakit bir küncdə oturacaq. Oturacaq will sit. Sakit bir küncdə, in a quiet corner. Corner, künc, sakit, quiet. Küncdə, in a corner. And will not disturb anyone. Və heç kəsi narahat etməyəcək. Until when? Suallar bitənə qədər. Until the questions are over. Sual, question, suallar, questions. Bitənə qədər, until over. Okay? Wrap it up. Təqdimat başlayandan sonra o sakit bir küncdə oturacaq və suallar bitənə qədər heç kəsi narahat etməyəcək. Now, that was today's word oturacaq. How else we can use it? That joke maybe? No oturacaq? Suddenly everyone thinks the floor is ergonomic. Now, if you would like, and if you are interested in deeper grammar, pronunciation, culture, history, or learning tips, feel free to visit masterazerbaijani.com, where I post a new blog every 10 days. And if you would like to learn Azerbaijani step by step, I have also built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store. Feel free to download it and start using Module 1, which is absolutely free, and it will give you the foundation you need to keep building with confidence. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word.